Previously on my last video, I attempted to make my second cosplay costume that took me 9 days to make before Halloween Day. Since then, I made some more improvements by making shin guards with some Eva foam I had left from the yoga mat. I did not film myself making the shin guards, but there is a tutorial video I learned from, and the link to that video can be found in the info description. Here's the results of my shin guards I made last night. They really look suitable to go with my costume. I also painted them black and laid them outside to dry overnight, so they can be ready for the next day for the Comic-Con that me and my girlfriend are going to. Which you guys already know about that already from the title. These were my jogging shoes that I had stuffed in my closet. I decided to paint them black as well because I hardly use them. I also remade the helmet by using recycling pieces of Eva foam I had left. If you are wondering how I managed to put all the pieces of Eva foam to make this helmet, the answer is simple. I used a lot of adhesive tape. Hashtag adhesive tape Eva foam helmet. So later today, me and my girlfriend will be hanging out at the Comic-Con. Probably take a lot of photos. You guys will be coming with me. I'm going to be doing some vlogs there too as well. You're going to be seeing so many people in costume. I know my friend Jose Sepulveda is going to be there. He has his own YouTube channel as well. I'll put his link in the description. And he makes amazing scary costumes. He likes to wear his clown costumes, and he's going to bring his clown dolls too as well. My girlfriend doesn't like scary stuff, but I don't know what she's going to dress up as. First, she didn't want to dress up. She was just going to wear like a Batman shirt, and that was it. Yesterday when I was FaceTiming her, she looks like she was setting up a costume for herself for today. And it's gonna be a big surprise to see what she's gonna be dressing up as. I'm trying to fix up the loose parts. Like the top chest was like very loose, so I glued that back on there. You were able to see underneath it, so I glued that back on. Also glued on the symbol, like this part was loose as well. And just trying to make sure it's all fixed up. And the spray paint I got, oops, I probably accidentally took a photo. The spray paint I got this time was flat spray paint, and you can get them in Walmart for 96 cents. I don't like the gloss. You're gonna make a costume, it's gonna make it look really shiny. I mean, if you like that kind of stuff, but for me, I like it flat. It looks much nicer when it's flat. I mean, this is gonna still always look glossy, but it looks great glossy anyways. Just want to give a really cool sneak peek how my shin guards look like when I wear them. I never wore shin guards before on my last costume cut. I'm very proud of these ones. They're gonna go really well with my costume later. Let me tell you guys this, I'm definitely looking forward to wearing this all day later. Oh, so that's your costume. You're a Spider Girl. I like your cape. She's my Spider Girl girlfriend. This time she was Minnie Mouse and now she's Spider Girl. Spider Girl away! She's becoming a superhero.
You can put the mask underneath your hair. That's what I'm trying to do.
That looks really good. I like that. How come you didn't wear that in the Halloween?
I don't want to.
Well, because we didn't have it all set up. Is your hair out of the face? Oh, wait. You move. Kathy, fix that hair. I can't do it. I don't have patience for that.
Don't put my hair.
Okay, come on.
That was a good one. Sorry, hun. I just thought that was funny to put in like 3 times. Hope you forgive me. I'm gonna put my costume on in the parking lot. I'm gonna be wearing nothing but underwear and socks underneath the Zentai suit. I don't think they won't say anything. They probably won't notice it.
You're not going to get in trouble, right?
No. Can you see my butt? I am gonna enjoy wearing this all day today. All right, let's do this. I'm Batman. Then on the way over here, like all readied up, and then now look. I gotta see if I can try to fix this. That sucks, man. This is where the medieval times is gonna happen. Like I ran into somebody, a woman behind me, telling me what time is it gonna happen. Like around 3 o'clock. Right now it's like 1 o'clock, and 3 o'clock they're gonna have like a medieval time battle going on around here. That's gonna be cool. My girlfriend's over there checking it out. My girlfriend says she's gonna try this out, do some archery. So it looks like they shoot the people there, they don't shoot actual targets. Those people right there standing are targets. And Kaylee's gonna shoot them.
Batman, Leon, would you like to go?
Yeah, someone can film me doing that. Anyone can. Thanks.
Sorry, put your finger in the also here. You got it. See? It's okay. He's armored.
We need to shoot there.
Nice, not bad. Have you shot my
Right there.
Just like that.
Where is he face?
Heavier, and we get to shoot it live target.
You're right in the chest. I heard that. That was awesome.
You can do it, Kaylee, my girlfriend. She's doing archery for the first time.
Pull back as far as you can. Okay, don't worry about that. You want to pull back with your arm and straight, but you don't want it down or anything. It's like this. I can't. Oh, almost. I can't. You have to pull back with your back. So just wing your hand back. It's not other thing.
You can do this.
You can tilt it a little bit if you want. Go get him. Sit down with your legs. Here, let me get you. You got a little bit more distance on that one. Don't worry, you did better. You want to do one more? Yeah, there we go. Pull back as far as you can. Don't worry, this is also a heavier bow. If you want to come over practice, we have
Oh, my poor girlfriend. I love her so much. She's very cute. I know she can do it if she had the proper guidance. It's all about the posture. That's what I was aiming for what I was doing. That's what I've been watching on movies. So it's all about posture, holding your breath, and shooting an arrow. That's all she needs is proper guidance. And she can do it.
Feel free to come by anytime you want. We have lighter bows there, so.
You did great. You did really good. Hey, it's my friend Jose. And this is his clowns right here. He has like awesome clowns. This is my friend Jose Sepulveda. He does an awesome job making his props, and this is handmade. And the costume he's wearing is handmade as well. What kind of clown are you?
Thrilly the clown.
Thrilly the clown?
This one is a mini family of Thrilly. That one's Steph, Eric, and Jacko.
That's Jacko right there, and this is Eric.
Eric and Les, and mini Thrilly.
And mini Thrilly. And that's Jack?
Jacko.
Jacko.
Yes.
Nice.
That's Jack-o'-lantern.
That's so cool, man. Jose is very popular in every cosplay places he goes to. Everybody would like to take his photos. He's really good with that. Oh, there's my girlfriend. She went to use the restroom. We got separated. Taking a couple of photos with a lot of people. I wish I should have been able to get that. That would have been awesome.
Who said they like my costume?
They did?
Yeah.
You have a really cool costume. And she does. She's Spider-Man. Or Spider-Girl. With a cape. Oh, that's a scary clown. That's an awesome chainsaw.
I mean, it's gonna stand out. I don't know. Yeah.
I'll fix it later, though. But thanks so much. I mean,
Yeah, you got it. Let's see. Let me take a look. How big do you think it has to be?
Are you being Batman for Comic-Con?
yeah. See, you can be Batman.
Okay.
It's really cool. Thanks so much.
Do this fix for you.
Yeah. I don't know if it's gonna hold the whole way around, but I mean, maybe half a block.
Thanks so much for doing that.
You got it.
Is that still on?
Yeah.
Still recording? Oh, it's aiming at me. Shout out to my friend here.
Hi.
I have my own vlog channel. This is my friend
I'm Jesse.
Jesse.
Hectic Films.
Hectic Films.
I'm sorry we don't have professional gaffers here today, but I'll do my best with what I got.
You know, I think gaffer's tape works too. Okay? Even if it stands out, it's
I
fine.
mean, it kind of looks like you've been through battle a little bit. Like, Yeah,
I like it too.
yeah. I won't quit it. So I'm part of this costume now.
Yeah, you're part of it. I'll say you're part of it. And it's filmed too.
Just shape on your head. Hey!
Follow us, see your followers as well. We're Hectic Film, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And we have a few things that we're working on. We're going to be putting out pretty soon. Be on the lookout for more episodes of Beach Town Rundown, written by Steve Sanders. There'll be some more food challenges that you'll be able to see us do around Bakersfield.
And I'll put all your links in my description info, so that way you guys can follow Hectic Films. I always work with these guys once in a while. I got to get back to working with them. These guys are great.
We love having you around. So.
I'll see if I could catch Ricky around here. You guys gonna be here long?
Yeah, we'll be here for a bit. Ricky will be back. He'll be here a little bit too. So.
Okay. We're just gonna look around and see if we can meet some other people, take photos. And
It's pretty cool stuff around here.
that was you right there, huh? The silent running?
Yeah.
I'm gonna check it out, see if they have like behind the scenes and shit.
Yeah,
It was nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Yeah.
While my girlfriend gets her face painted, I'm gonna go walk around and see if I can get like some photos of some people.
Who are you?
Yes,
Batman.
yes, I'm Batman.
John, can I take a picture of you? Yeah, go
These guys are actually sword fighting. My girlfriend finally got her face painted. Took a while. She got the dragon one on her face. Pretty cool. Someone's dressed as the bunny rabbit from Alice in Wonderland. My girlfriend got a picture with a bunny rabbit. I think next time I should probably take a video instead. Just pretend I'm doing a picture. So that way it'll be inside the vlog. Excuse me. Can she take a photo with you?
Yeah.
Girlfriend took a photo with the girls over there. I just took an actual photo. I was going to take a video instead.
Someone dressed like Batman.
No, that's Spider-Man.
Oh, Spider-Man. I'm tired today.
You're having fun?
Yeah.
We're going to go watch the medieval time fight over there. It's already starting.
For those of you wondering, this is not like SHIN. These are solid. They do leave marks. They do sting quite a bit. They are quite painful. This is a full contact sport. Our average normal hit, I won't put a whole lot of rear end behind this. I'll just show you for example's sake.
I felt that.
That's not me
I
putting
even
my
heard
body
that too.
behind it. So if you see one of us limping around or you see an arm go dead or maybe a bone, we're not faking that. That's real, just for you. In the medieval times, though, we didn't yell, yay, we didn't go, hooray. What they yelled in the medieval times was huzzah. So crowds, with me in one voice, let me hear you, huzzah.
Huzzah!
If you see one of these coming at you, duck. They tend to fly out of our hand every now and then. We do have little strings on them. It's not a really big string. Think of it like SeaWorld. In the first 3 rows, you are in the splash zone. If blood or saliva hits you, I'm sorry. However, in the great state of California, you are now imbibed in a verbal and legal contract because you have heard my voice. So, you understand that by standing here in this crowd right now, that if you get a broken bone, any type of lesions, or any type of lacerations, or any type of death or dismemberment, it is not our fault. If you do not agree with that, feel free to leave now. Excellent.
Gabby, you should probably like come over here.
Rapier fighters, come on out here. This is our hard steel fighting. You will notice they have full metal swords. These metal swords are just blunted at the tip so that we don't go through each other. Kayla and Tessa. Now, sometimes we are asked, do ladies fight in this sport? Yes, they do, absolutely. And today we have a special treat. Sometimes we bring couples out because they usually hate each other. No, I love you more. One of us is a liar.
How they going at it?
Yeah, of course.
You're victors! Fights are okay, but we prefer to put a lot more people on the field when you're slinging steel around. So now, my loving crowd, let me hear you in one voice. Huzzah! Huzzah!
was good. It looks like he's done.
How about some blood?
Yeah!
How about the broken bones and the bruises? My lords and ladies, speaking of kids today, I have a special treat for you, a father-son battle. Yeah! The name's the father of this great family, AJ! Son, Nero! Tonight when the kid wins.
No homework tonight.
That's a good one. No homework tonight.
You get homework.
Yeah, tomorrow. Heading out now. We had just had fun. Right now, she's trying to fix her phone. I just changed my costume into regular clothes. Definitely have fun. I wish I would have been able to get videos instead of just photos. Maybe I could just post them on my vlog still. It was great to do this. Awesome. And she got her face painted for free. I'm gonna let you guys go. Take care. See you guys later. Peace.